Hey everybody, Colin Reed here at MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It's a Boston Whaler 2026-21 Montauk. We have it in the full hull color, light blue, with our white accents and our white graphics down there on the end. Matches beautifully with our white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We do have the hardtop on this boat, with the underside of the hardtop matching the hull color in that light blue color. We have the white Mercury V6 200 to power this boat. Let's hop up inside and check out some more features. So now that we're on board the Boston Whaler 2026-21 Montauk, let's check out some more key features. Once again, would love to point out our white V6 Mercury 200 engine. Great horsepower for this boat. We do have the teak package on this boat, so we will have teak accents on the swim platform as well as on either side. As we move forward, I will be sure to point them out for you. 2 jump seats here in the back, very comfortable, nice high backrest to be able to enjoy the stern of this boat. Very easily foldable. As you can see, we could use this area as a casting platform area to operate and maneuver as underway, or even when you're sitting at the sandbar. 4 rod holders here at the transom, 2 cup holders. We do have our cleats, and then we do have our high rails here at the end. Very nice to be able to keep kids in the boat, make everybody feel nice and safe. We do have the JL audio speakers throughout the boat. This boat is equipped with a fishing package, which will have this live well here, along with some utensil holders for us. We do have rod holders here behind our helm seat, as well as rod holders up top here. Rocket launchers, might I say. We do have some tea bag storage directly underneath the helm here. Great to throw some life jackets or anything that you want to get up out of the way while underway. Here at the helm, we do have our Simrad display, our JL audio speaker head system, as I mentioned, to go with those speakers. We do have our Mercury gauges, as well as toggle switching for bilge pumps, courtesy lights, raw water systems. Digital throttle and shift on this Mercury binnacle to go with that V6 200. We do have Lenco trim tabs as well, and then cup holders up front as well. 12-volt plugs and USB plugs are right here at the dash also. As we move forward, I would like to point out we do have that teak accent that I mentioned, port and starboard, as well as here at our feet. Also at our helm seat, we have our flip down bolsters that you will see. As we move forward, very nice spacious head down below for a 21-foot boat. Also here at the bow, very nice spacious seating. We have the cushions out now. Both of these headrests will remove and allow 2 rod holders to be in place. Both cushions will fold up and provide a very nice large casting platform for us, as well as anchor locker storage, and then more storage underneath as well. Cup holders on either side, in the cushions as well as behind the headrest. Also have the boat set up for a trolling motor with our trolling motor plug, and then we have nice grab rails here as well. Nice cooler seat here to be able to sit while underway, as well as keep things cold directly underneath us. Very comfortable space. If you'd like to learn more about this Boston Whaler 2026-21 Montauk, or anything else we have here on the lot, please feel free to check us out on MarineMax.com, or give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.